This recipe calls for a bowl. Baccala, salted cod. I like this brand from Canada, Crystal Ball, a pound. Smells really good. Una cipolla grande e dolce, a large sweet onion. Cecci, about a cup of dried chickpeas. Couple of small bottles of garden tomatoes. 2 bottiglie piccole di pomodoro dell'orto. Salted cod and chickpeas in a bowl covered with cold tap water and covered with a plate. This can now go in the refrigerator or in the coldest room in your home, and it has to sit 3 days, and the water has to be changed twice a day. Dopo un giorno, after a day, l'acqua è chiara chiara. The water is very clear. And don't let anyone ever say to you, tu sei un baccala. I take the chickpeas out and put them in about 2 cups of water. I'm going to cook them for about 30 minutes. And I let the baccala drain really well. Tu sei un baccala means you're a piece of salted cod. Means you're a little stiff, no emotion, almost a little stupid. Cut the baccala into small pieces like this. They can be thin, thick, that's no big deal. Prepare your onions, thin, long slices are great. We don't want them to be too limp. Open up your jars of bottled garden tomatoes, and if they look the same way they looked when we bottled them, we can assume that they're okay. We hate to assume, but we're going to boil them for 10 minutes or more. Make sure we don't have that claustrophobia, beware, as I explained in another video. And the chickpeas are boiling away, and they taste great. You can taste the saltiness and the flavor of the cod in there. We don't want the onions to overcook or get too wilted. On low heat, I let all the flavors mingle for about 15 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. E tu non sei un baccala. Wow, what flavors! So simple. The sweetness and the tartness from the garden tomatoes. The saltiness and the fish flavor from the baccala. The crispy onions. The crunchy chickpeas with a nice glass of Cape Blend from South Africa.